In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a tagged PDF with bookmarks and structure in PowerPoint. We're focusing on turning a regular slide deck into a polished, accessible PDF that's easy to navigate with bookmarks and properly tagged for screen readers, without changing your workflow too much. Start by organizing your slides with clear structure. Make sure each slide uses the built-in title placeholder, not a manually drawn text box. The reason is simple. Those title placeholders become the PDF's bookmarks, giving your audience a clickable outline down the side of the document. Keep titles concise and unique, so they're meaningful when someone scans the bookmarks. Use the standard slide layouts and placeholders for your content as well. This helps PowerPoint understand what's a heading and what's body text. While you're laying out content, apply accessible text within those placeholders. Choose readable fonts, maintain strong color contrast, and avoid placing important text inside images or decorative shapes. Using the placeholders ensures your text is part of the document's logical structure, which is key for tagging later. Next, check accessibility. Go to the Review tab and choose Check Accessibility. PowerPoint will open a pane with issues it finds, such as missing alt text, unclear titles, or a problematic reading order. Address each item it flags. Add alt text to meaningful images so non-visual readers understand the content. If the reading order needs attention, adjust it in the reading order pane so titles come first, followed by main content, then any extras like footers. This step sets up the tags that will carry into the PDF. When everything looks good, export the PDF. Go to File, choose Export, select Create PDF XPS document, and then click Create PDF XPS. In the dialog that opens, set Optimize for to Standard, which is best for publishing online and printing with clear quality. Most importantly, check the option labeled Document Structure Tags for accessibility. This tells PowerPoint to include the tagging that enables screen readers and preserves the logical order. You can also choose to include non-printing information if you want additional metadata preserved. Finally, click Publish. Your PDF will now include slide titles as bookmarks, reading order tags for screen readers, and proper text structure for accessibility. When you open the PDF in a reader, you'll see a clean set of bookmarks and a document that's easier for everyone to navigate and understand. That's all it takes to export a tagged, well-structured PDF right from PowerPoint.